Hello, beautiful humans. Creating a good life for yourself is something that everyone strives for. It means different things to different people, but ultimately, it's about feeling fulfilled, happy, and content in your daily life. While this can be a subjective and ongoing process, there are certain steps that you can take to ensure that you're on the right path. Let's take a look at some tips for creating a good life for yourself. But first, I would like to remind you to like, subscribe, and share so others can find this information as well. Alright, let's take a look at those tips for creating a good life. The first thing to do is to identify your values and priorities. Before you can start creating a good life, you need to know what's important to you. Now, these things can shift over a lifetime, so make sure and take stock of them regularly. Take some time to reflect on your values and priorities. What do you care about? What brings you joy and fulfillment? What are your goals? And once you have a clear understanding of what matters most to you, you can start making decisions and taking actions that align with your values. Now let's set some goals. Having clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Think about what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as your career, relationship, health, personal growth. And make sure that these are SMART goals. Make sure that they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Goals that are challenging, but realistic. Break down your goals into smaller steps and create a plan to achieve them. And always practice that self-care I talk about so much, because taking care of yourself is essential for creating a good life. Make time for self-care activities that nourish your body, your mind, and your soul. This could include things like exercising, eating healthy, getting enough sleep, practice mindfulness or meditation, spending time in nature, or doing something creative. Any of these things can help you in practicing self-care. Look at what you really enjoy doing. And remember to take care of your emotional needs by setting boundaries, seeking support from loved ones, and practicing self-compassion. Remember to cultivate positive relationships. Our relationships with others play a big role in our overall well-being. So surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, and those who share similar values and interests. Invest in your relationships by communicating openly, being kind and empathetic. And make time for quality time together. And keep learning and growing. Lifelong learning is important for personal growth and fulfillment. Stay curious and stay open-minded and seek out opportunities to learn new things and develop new skills. This could involve taking a course, attending a workshop or a seminar, even reading books, or just simply trying new things. Creating a good life is an ongoing process, and it requires effort and intentionality. By following these tips, you can create a life that aligns with your values, brings you joy and fulfillment, and helps you become the best version of yourself. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and that it's okay to make mistakes and experience setbacks along the way. The key to stay committed to your goals and to keep moving forward is one step at a time. And remember to always be kind to yourself.